This will be a rather brief and informal tutorial showing students how to see their grade after they've participated in a forum. Now I'm going to show you a couple that have or have not been graded, just so you know what you can expect to see as a student. So I'm logged in as a student right now. So as a student gets to the forum area, now I've got lots of forums in a row, which is unusual because clearly that wouldn't happen in your classes. It's just a demo. But if I click into this one, she has already participated in this standard forum displayed like a blog format. And now instead of, she can still add discussion topic, but she can also view her grades. So if it's closed, this will go away. However, in this case, it doesn't happen to be, but it already could have been graded. But we see that shows up there, but that your instructor hasn't graded this yet. So basically, it just says grade not graded, and clearly that's something that you should know in case you're looking for a grade but you don't see it. You'll still have that option to see that the faculty member hasn't gotten to that yet. Okay, but let me go to a different one. And now there's different kinds of grading, but as far as you're concerned as a student, really they're much the same. This is a scale of 1 to 5. If I click into this has been graded already. I go to view grades, and then what I see here is the instructor gave me a 5 on August 31st, and the status graded is graded, and there it shows just the grade there, and that's all we got. Now, if there's notes, sometimes the notes will show up here as well, but there is not in this case. And then lastly, I'll show you what it looks like if the instructor is grading with a rubric. Once again, it doesn't really alter what you have to do very much at all. You'll just come to the forum that you've already completed. You'll click into that. You'll go to view grades, and you can see it doesn't say add discussion topic here. I hit view grades, and there they are. So the instructor has gone through this on a 10 to 20. I've gotten 10 of that, and I can see the various areas of the rubric here where I've gotten it, and they could have written in additional feedback right there, but in this case they have not. But that's really all there is to seeing your grades when it comes to going back to a form that you've already completed. And like I said, it's smartest to go back when it's already closed. That way you're certain that it has been done. Have a nice day.